How to delete messages from iCloud but not iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes you to the Apple account screen. Then, scroll to the bottom to find and tap on the iCloud option. This will show you an overview of your iCloud storage and a list of apps that are currently using it. Under the storage bar, tap on See All on Save to iCloud section to view the complete list of applications that are syncing data with your iCloud account. Scroll down the list until you find Messages in iCloud. Tap on it to open the specific sync settings for the Messages app. On this screen, tap the toggle switch for use on this iPhone option to turn it off. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Here, select the Disable and Download Messages option. This ensures your iPhone can download all messages from iCloud to your device's local storage before shutting down the sync, so that you lose nothing from your device. Once the download is complete, your messages will no longer be synced with iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily delete messages from iCloud but not iPhone.